Hey there, this is a quick tutorial on using a snipping tool. The snipping tool is a really good tool because it allows you to take a screenshot and then easily paste it anywhere. I use the snipping tool quite a bit because I'm able to take snips of things and then paste that picture into an email or into a Word document or even onto a PowerPoint or even in Class Connect. So knowing how to use the snipping tool is really important. To find the snipping tool, it's really easy. You go to your start menu in the bottom corner of your screen and you click on that. It should bring up an area where you can search for different programs. Inside of that search bar, go ahead and type in snipping tool. Then you'll see programs and you'll see snipping tool. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on it, it brings up a screen like this. You just want to make sure that you click on new. It's already been clicked on for me. And then once you do that, your screen goes a little bit hazy and you're able to draw a box or a rectangle around everything you want to take a snip or a picture of. So I'm going to go ahead and take a snip of the Google symbol. So now I have a snip of the Google symbol. From here, I can go ahead and I can right click on it and copy it. And then if I want to paste it onto a Word document, I can go ahead and pull up a Word document and then right click and click on paste. And now I've gone ahead and I've taken my snip and I've pasted it onto a Word document. So if you have an assignment you need to submit where you need to take a picture and submit that picture and maybe the file is too big, you can go ahead and take a snip of it, place the snip onto a Word document and then upload the Word document. You can do this in PowerPoint, you can do this in Publisher, you can just paste your snips there. You can also paste snips into an email if you have to send an email to a teacher or to someone else. You can even paste your snips into Class Connect on the board as well. So this is a really great tool to know how to use. If you guys have questions about this, please let us know.